seated. Keep hands, arms, and legs inside the tram at all times. We would also like to remind you that smoking, including e-cigarettes, is prohibited.
Busch Gardens Williamsburg is starting to tease their new 2025 coaster. You know what that means. Time for another construction update. Williamsburg, just like Kingston is also starting to prepare for Halloween. So, kind of get a little bit of taste of Halloween. I don't plan on attending right now for Halloween. I definitely think I will be here for Christmas Town, just like I was last year. Yep, let's head inside.
Take a step back. The gates are now closed. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. During your run, remain seated, keeping your hands on the lap bar, with your arms and legs down and inside the ride, with your head back against the headrest at all times. Enjoy your ride with the Busch Gardens Railway. This structure is one of the two long-span trestles found along the Busch Gardens Railway.
You can see the Drachen Fire station, the former Drachen Fire. That is now all hollowed out and ready for track installation.
Did you know? If you look toward the right, you will find our incredible inverted coaster. After climbing to a 195-foot alpine high, riders are hurtled through. Very, very cool. That thing right there.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Great ride there on Griffin. I want to head back to Loch Ness Monster. Yeah, let's go. I also kind of want to get a ride on Finnegan's Flyer now that Twisted Gravity is coming to Hershey Park next year. So I kind of want to get a feel of the larger model. I've done Scream and Swing at Maurice Pierce, but this is like the next closest one for me. Finnegan's Flyer. That's going to be a fantastic addition to Hershey next year. I think it's dark. Let's go.
Brings a storm? Let's find out. safety. This time, once the snowmobile comes to a complete stop, please lift up your safety chute and exit carefully to your left, taking all personal belongings to the
I just noticed as you exit Dark Coaster, I believe these are all the people that worked on the ride. Very cool. I really like the story Busch Gardens Williamsburg is building up here with the Big Bad Wolf. So the first teaser came last Friday and essentially told the backstory of the Big Bad Wolf. You had this wolf turning the villagers of the Bavarian village into monsters and causing chaos in the village. And the bravest among those villagers rose up and defeated the wolf by throwing the wolf's body down here into the Rhine River. As you know, Big Bad Wolf used to end here like Verbolten did, and used to dive down here towards the Rhine River. So kind of like explaining what happened as guests would do that here. However, they searched the body for the wolf here in the Rhine River, but it was never found. Their second teaser campaign is kind of explaining why the Big Bad Wolf's location is now over here in the former Drachen Fire area back there. Kind of explained that pretty much after the wolf's defeat, the villages of the Bavarian village decided to relocate after all the events from the original one unfolded. A pretty great story Busch Gardens Williamsburg is trying to tell for this new Big Bad Wolf coaster. So hopefully soon we get an announcement. We're supposed to be getting another teaser next Friday, which probably the day this video goes out or around that time. Hopefully that teaser drops soon or has already dropped. So we'll have to see what we get then. And well guys, that's it from this construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. Great progress going on here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. It looks like a great storyline going on, and I'm really excited for this new reincarnated Big Bad Wolf. So anyways guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PA&J Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye guys.